Stop. Wait. Go backward.
Go back. Okay.
Up two. Okay.
What? There we go.
Forward.
Okay.
Get him.
I got him. Oh, yay.
Oh, oops.
Oops.
Good morning, Haas
Haas
School. I'm Veronica Asteroid Belt of the future.
And I am Luna Eclipse, new to Hawes Morning News.
Welcome.
I'm so happy
We're
to
happy
be
to
here.
have you.
Did you know that the Hawes Morning News is legendary throughout the galaxy?
Wow.
My really good friend, Haley
Was it
Comet.
Haley?
Yeah, she flew in here. Wow, did she fly in here yesterday? She flew in here, and we have been talking about Hawes Morning News for quite some time.
For centuries?
Yep. And when the invitation was finally put out that new people could come, Haley was first, and now today is my turn. And you know what? I think there are more people out in the galaxy who would like to be a part of this.
Well, Luna, we are so happy to have you. Welcome to the Haas Morning News.
Well, thank you. I'm so happy to be here. And yesterday's kindergarten question was, what keeps things stuck to the ground? And I know the answer.
I think I do too.
It's gravity.
Gravity.
Gravity. It's a beautiful thing, gravity.
You know, there's a teacher at Haas, I feel like, who always blames things on gravity. Let me know if you know who it is. It's just like a thought in my mind. I feel like there's somebody I know who's always like, gravity.
Okay.
Anyway.
I'm going to have to think about
Yeah,
that one.
well, maybe we'll talk later about that.
Okay. And today's question for K1, the kindergarten question is, have you heard about the moon having bumps called craters? Why do you think the moon has these bumps?
Luna, you seem to be wearing a shirt that looks a little bit like the color of the moon. It's beautiful.
Oh, well, I'm so happy somebody noticed that. I did it on purpose.
Okay, first and second grade.
Oh, I know the answer to yesterday's question. Yesterday, you asked, what is the rocket that NASA is building, the new heavy lift rocket? And Mark added that it was really powerful, and he was right, because it is. It is called the Space Launch System, and the Orion capsule will sit on top of that, kind of like the Apollo, well, just like the Apollo capsule sat on top of the Saturn V rockets, and the astronauts are going to ride in the Orion capsule.
Wow, and is it named Orion after the really awesome constellation in the
Yep.
winter sky?
Yep.
Wow, that's so cool.
Isn't that so cool? I love this.
All right. Oh, your question for today?
Oh, the question for today is, your question is, which planets are called the gas giants?
Ooh, good question. First and second grade. All right, 3, 4, and 5. This is for you. 3rd through 5th graders. Yesterday, your question was, which planet has a moon called Ganymede? And the answer is Jupiter! Jupiter has 80-something moons, and they're more being discovered all the time.
80 moons?
80-something. There's like between 80 and 95, and they're constantly changing. It's amazing.
That's a lot of moons.
That's a lot of moons. And so Ganymede is one of the 4 major moons. The other 3 are Io, Europa, and Callisto. Including Ganymede, those are the 4 huge moons, the hugest ones, of Jupiter. So cool.
That is cool.
That is so cool. Today, you have a question. Why are astronomers constantly discovering new moons around the planets in our solar system? How come we don't just have a number and stick with it? Astronomers are always finding new moons. That's your question. Why?
Wow, that's a great question.
Do you know why?
Actually, I do not know why.
Well, you'll find out tomorrow.
I'm so excited to tune in tomorrow to find out the answer to that question.
Tune into the Haas Morning News tomorrow. Luna, we're happy to have you.
I was so happy to be here today, Veronica.
You did a great job, too.
Thank you. Maybe I'll come back again another
I'll put in
time.
a good word for you.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Bye, Haas.
Bye, Haas School.